I'm in the mood to put a whole bunch of random stuff into my Ninja Speedi and see if it works. So far, it hasn't let me down. We've got a package of Kevin's Korean barbecue-style chicken going in. And then on top of that, we are going to put a 1/4 pound of green beans. They are frozen, and then we have 8 ounces of white queso velveeta. And then we have 1 1/3 cups of additional barbecue. And 1 tablespoon of sriracha, sweet chili ginger sauce, fish sauce, and hoisin sauce. 3/8 of a teaspoon of Thai basil, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, and 2 makrut lime leaves. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium. And we've got 6 of these Grand Southern Homestyle buttermilk air fryer ready biscuits. And I think I'm going to try to kind of follow these directions. So I'm going to do speedy meals, 330, 10 minutes. And then if you cooked these in an air fryer, they would need 330, 10 minutes, flip them 330 at 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, we'll see what our little concoction looks like. After 10 minutes, they actually look crazy delicious. But I flipped them over and the one still looked a little bit doughy on the inside. So we're going to stay on speedy meal and we're going to do a little bit longer, 5 more minutes. Those biscuits look so good. Zena, are you ready to eat? Are you hungry? Holy guacamole. This looks so good. Let's give it a nice little stir. Pretty saucy. This is kind of a strange combination, but holy cow, is it delicious. I think it was really good. If I ever made it again, I would probably half all of the added ingredients, like the barbecue sauce, the sriracha, and possibly not add the cheese. But I think for just throwing a bunch of random stuff together, I thought it tasted very delicious. You definitely need to just start throwing a bunch of random stuff in your Ninja Speedi and see if it works. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out Don't forget to check out our Ninja Speedi playlist. Has a whole bunch of Ninja Speedi tests. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.